Hello friends, this is my DJI Mini 2 drone and it can fly up to 500 meters, but there's a limit set by DJI in India that it does not fly above 15 meters. So I will show you how you can do that. And Indian government says that you can fly this category of drones up to 120 meters. So I will show you. Also, you do not need to pay any money, don't need to install a firmware or need a computer. It's very easy, you can do it on your phone. Let's get started. Step 1, open the App Store or Play Store on your phone, tap the search button, type Rainbow, and you will see Rainbow for DJI drones. Tap on it and download it. I already have it downloaded. Also, I will leave the link in the description. Do check it out if you cannot search it. Next is to pair the DJI Mini drone to your controller and to your phone, just like you would usually do. So I already have it connected and you can see there's a strong signal and it says takeoff permitted. But if you go here and see, the max altitude is 15 meters because I'm in India. So now open the Rainbow app that you have downloaded.
Disconnect the
and
aircraft.
It says ready to go.
Connect
this is
the
a very
aircraft.
Usual interface. Now where you see ready to go, tap there twice or once and you will see set max flight altitude. Here you can set it up to 500 meters, but in India there is a limit of 120 meters. Anyways, I'll set it to 130 meters to show you and tap done. I agree. Now go back to the DJI Fly app.
Disconnect
And switch to the video mode, though it is not necessary, but I will record a video. Now tap on the three dots and you can see the max altitude is 130 meters. So now we are ready to go. So to start recording, and this is takeoff time.
takeoff. The home
Now
point
you
has
can
been
see
updated.
on the
Please
app
check it
at
on
the
the
top
map.
that I have a limit of 15 meters and it keeps going above. You can see my beautiful city and it keeps going on. So yeah, it's 46 meters and 60. I'll switch to sports mode so that it can fly higher. You can see now, and here we are at 120. Now I get a limit at that I should not fly above this, so I will bring it down. And here you can see the beautiful mesmerizing views from the top. Definitely you are not going to get it at 15 meters. So it's the hack. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.